izina rya tate yitwe niryo mwana niryo muri rukwera.
Amina.
Engine Nicholas Byengoma obwakwatanise n'omukazi we Rosette Byengoma omuhandiki mukuru ministry y'ebyokwerinda bakashabanwane babo obebembirumo Dr. Eli Mary School ga Egypt okubahwera abantu nabo babatungire ambulance age.
Nyowe kundi kwekaho nkomuntu echatumire nahabura ngu ambulance ni nkuru kutwara Rugarama china kakwate ne cyaba kigabagambaga ngwe kisira banyu nenge kiriza banyu no kirahira umweno mu family yetu emyaka mirengwa munonga tukizibwe amadwaliro ga mission
ekeji negirango hari obundi buremezi kandi abaraganise konja kwatiraho eirwariro
bintu eby'ayohereza neje ambulance bayohereza neje ambulance ya brand new 2022 model ya Japan made in Japan aruza imotoka zimwe baraziri za Toyota konka zikurirwe Malaysia izindi zikurirwe kahe kongeje zin made in Japan brand new arebindi bintu erifuri kwipito kumagirira arebindi bintu ebiri muhanda kandi Byengoma family timurundi rwo kubanza kugira ngo bakora ikinteke.
Dr. Esther Rutaremwa orukorirwaro rya Rugarama hamwe na Dr. Gilbert Mateke eby'amagara omuri Kabale basima obuhwezi obu binamasiko ngw'emotokeji neisha kutungura omutindo gw'ebyamagara.
We can be the best in premature care, we can be the best in maternal care, we can be the best in dialysis and all those specialized services.
Somebody may say, I was happy to see the type of ambulance given us. It is a type that can be equipped to be, support any level of patient. Thank you very much. The one we had, yes, is good. But this is better inside the space for caring for the patient.
Izina ryanje no mu izina ry'obureberezi bwa Kigezi nitwenda okugira omugisha muhango ogwo kwakira ekiconco ekyemotoka ibarukweta ambulance
gashakwa Job namanya omuri Kabale.